What's good, people them?
It's your boy Digz
and your girl Keebs, and welcome back to Life with Digz and Keebs.
Yeah.
Boy.
All that. What? This is continuation from.
That's not no continuation. Whole new day. Anyway.
Yeah, it's a whole new day, but it's the same day from the last vid.
On my lip.
I saw spit. I don't know where it landed.
On my lip.
It looked like it went that way.
It went this way. Right here. Right here.
Boy, have that. Take that.
No.
Take that. Pause. Diddy. Anyway. Some mad thing was going on. Shame, you dirty rascal.
Dirty rascal.
You can't catch me.
Done like you been doing that too?
Hmm?
You been doing that
no,
too?
I'm saying, you know, Diddy's. What was this talking about? He's either gonna silence you, or he gonna pay you. Obviously, he ain't gonna pay me. He ain't doing nothing shit to me.
Oh.
But he gonna silence me because I'm chatting shit about him, innit?
Alright.
So I'm saying, you can't catch me. You don't know who I am or where he is.
His name is Digz.
Shut up! Anyways, welcome back to another video. Before we get involved and move on into this video, make sure you go like, share, subscribe, all of that good jazz. Why?
Because we said so.
Yeah, boy and girl. Anyway, so we are about to go to the laundrette. In other words, my sis house.
Did you tell them about the washing machine?
It's all in the previous.
Oh,
they should have known.
Oh, because I don't know.
If they watch it, if you haven't, go make.
Oh, so I'm going to drop it in order.
Yeah, I guess so. Why not?
No. So I got a whole heap of work, people. How many videos would you say? 2, 3?
2, 3
hours.
Anyways,
hours
anyways. Exactly.
Don't push me.
We're going to my sister's yard. Pass through there, see what going. She's gonna do a couple washes for us, as I've told you guys already that we're gonna go and do some washes there. And then, because our washing machine is packed up, and then depending on the timing, situation, the scenario, we may pass by my friend's yard, because as I already told y'all from the previous video, go click.
No, I ain't doing none of that shit. No.
Go watch the previous video. You'll find out what I did say, but I said that our washing machine did F up. So a couple people has helped us do some washing because our basket was piled up and we needed things washed. So you're mad backup thing, isn't it?
What's wrong with that?
Nah, I'm just saying that you're just okay. Anyway. Anyway. So this is what we're gonna go do. So yeah, stay tuned for that video to the journeys. On
Journey
Q.
Ah, there we go. Look at that beautiful face.
Anyways, I think this is all loud, yeah, because we should not try to get copywritten and all of that good jazz. But I bought we just landed and everything, yeah.
Yo,
I bought machine still because put your light on real quick. No light. We didn't do nothing. We're gonna fix it. I've been wanting to fix this for years.
Long time.
Yeah, do your thing. We're gonna just put our own music over this.
Yep.
BannDIgz, cook this one up.
Pop to you. Woo! Why are you excited though?
Oh, man, I forgot to pull out the camera when. Wow, man, what's this little free on top of my head top?
What you got a lot going on right now?
Let's go. Something.
You're like a little bird.
But Tish, in your own words, how did it taste, man? I forgot to ask, not get it on camera, get it on camera.
It tastes authentic, just need a little bit more salt.
Just a little bit more salt.
And that would just enhance the flavours even more. If that would have had some chili sauce and that there, I would have smacked.
Yeah. I'm telling you, the Nando's a good yeah, it tasted like chili sauce in there with everything, so I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna show you guys in this video the proper full shebang of it, because the last one you can't really see me, because the last one you didn't really see it properly, but I'm gonna show.
There you go.
Oh, the glass. Okay. Let me see shit. We didn't preparing some fish.
The escovitch.
Who?
Escovitch.
Escovitch. What was that?
It's basically fried fish with the onions and the peppers and the vinegar.
Oh, and this is the fish they use?
Bream. You can use bream, snapper, whatever one.
Oh, okay. That thing. That's for Tisha's business. If anyone needs some catering, holla Pimento 62 Catering. You make sure, make sure you go do that. Any event, any organization, pub, private businesses, whatever. Hit it up. Instagram, all that. But I'm gonna go find out what my nephew's doing. We're just sitting there watching squid. I need to come back and see this one. Let me quickly go see. Beating her.
No, we're gonna try it.
Well, go on.
Hello.
We didn't make a beat.
Yeah, I'm just fixing something up. And then...
Have you used this yet?
To record?
Yeah, anything.
Nah, not yet.
Well, you should have been testing that.
I've
Even
been
if you just do gibberish.
Talking, like, I tested it out on like a app that can hear my voice in. But it does sound clear, it sounds good though.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm just experimenting with my friend. I'm in a disco cool. He like...
You said that's his vocal?
No. I was like, this called cool. And
Oh.
he was like, tell me what I should put in the beat to make it sound good.
Oh. Also, he could hear it. He could hear it.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen.
Oh, okay.
I guess. Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. Do your thing. You love red, innit? It's always red.
Yeah.
It's always red.
Oh gosh! They put bears in there, in the machine thing. And that decides who goes first, in what order they go. He knows, obviously, because of what it is next, people are going to be like, I ain't going first, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, they've got to do the thing to see what order.
Alright, look at this. 2 bags full of 1 dried. It's been a long time, man. Where you been, man? Where you been? And that needs to go be hung. Is it bright up in here? No more yellow light.
Do this in.
I'm talking to the camera, letting them know that we helped. It's still. I feel like you need to either change the lampshade or no lamp.
Lampshade will have to get changed like a grey one or something.
Or and make it be a normal one, or just take it off. Cause it's still letting it in the corners of the room, but it's still a vibe. Still a vibe. You know what I'm saying? Things will never.
Females, you know, keep clean your hands. You have been joking up. One look at thing.
Yeah, look at
Oh,
it.
no, you got look at something.
Icicles.
Ui! Yeah. Ganja planta, call me the ganja farmer.
Alright, we back. We home. Keebs showered.
Don't even show me too tough, I ain't wearing no bra. And what?
Keebs is home. Well, no, Keebs is home, you know. We home. And this is what we made. It's homemade kebab chip. I ain't gonna lie, I actually made some kefir as well, but I don't think I need it anymore. At first I thought I needed it. I don't think I do. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy. I wanna see Keebs take a bite actually.
Can't even see. I got chewing in my ear.
Alright, let me show you a bite myself. Or both of us, let's go and cam.
Said I didn't want to go on camera, 'cause I ain't gonna boom, but man, now listen, I was gonna bend down. Chicken. Latest people, we're gonna go sit down. I'm tired. Peace out.
Laundry, some of it hanging, some of it still there in the bag. That's the dry one. But yeah, yada 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 yada. We're gonna eat our dinner.
Yeah.
Look at more. See?